Walton from Richwood, Texas, has a question about shower mold.
It keeps coming back on the floor and wall of his shower.
Yeah.
Walton writes to us, he says, all the tiles are in excellent shape, but mold keeps forming around the wall to floor joints, and I've tried cleaning the mold off and caulking with various compounds over the last 5 years, but it keeps coming back. I'm told it could be a shower leak, so Tom Walton wants to know, how do you check for a leak?
Shower pan test. It's what it needs to be done, because if it's just crawling into those corners and there's no pan and it's soaking in there and things are growing, then you have to tear the shower out to fix it. But a shower pan test can be done by a reputable plumber. Abacus Plumbing would be one you could call. They're going to plug the drain. They're going to fill the bottom of the shower up with a little bit of water, maybe an inch or two, depending on how high your curb is, and let it sit overnight. If it goes away but it can't go down the drain, the water's going somewhere else, and that means your shower pan has failed.
And if you show up the next morning and your shower's full of wine, that's a whole other story.
Okay.
But seriously, is that something he couldn't just do himself? I mean, find a way to plug
You have to take the strainer apart. You have to have a special ball that goes in there. You got to pump the ball up.
You lost me when you said take the strainer apart.
Yeah,
okay,
so it's probably a plumber.
All right, Walton, just call Abacus, get it
Yes.
done. All right, and you can get the answers for your questions that you're looking for. Just send it to us. Use the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com, and we'll answer it just like these videos over here.